how much should you actually spend on a smart LED indoor garden? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, LETPOT LPHSE Hydroponics System. First up, we have the LETPOT LPHSE Hydroponics Growing System. Priced at $119.99, this sleek silver kit caught my eye because it promises a smart hydroponic experience with a ton of features. If you want to grow vibrant plants with minimal hassle, this is worth a serious look. We're talking about a 24W full-spectrum LED light that can be adjusted for a perfect light schedule. You can even set it to grow your plants up to 40% faster than traditional methods. Plus, with a 5.5-liter water tank, you can go up to 3 weeks without checking in. That means less worry and more thriving plants. Now, some people complained about the initial setup being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it becomes a breeze. It's worth it for the quality and service you get in return. This is perfect for you if you're a busy individual who loves fresh herbs but lacks the time to maintain them. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra cheap and simple, as this one is an investment in quality. You really get what you pay for here. Now, if the price of the LETPOT LPHSE worried you, the next one might just be the budget-friendly option you're looking for. Product number 2, LETPOT LPH Air Hydroponics System. Next up is the LETPOT LPH Air Hydroponics Growing System, priced at just $53.63. This green kit stands out because it combines affordability with some impressive features. If you're new to indoor gardening or looking for a budget-friendly option, this is worth a serious look. With a powerful 24W full-spectrum LED light and an app for smart control, you can easily customize the light settings for different plant needs. The 3.5-liter water tank supports growth for up to 21 days without needing a refill, which means less maintenance for you. Now, some users mention that the app connectivity can be a bit finicky. Here's the thing, it may not be perfect, but once it's connected, the convenience is fantastic. It's a small trade-off for such a cost-effective garden. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or want to gift someone a simple yet effective indoor garden. Skip this one if you're looking for a high-capacity system, as this is smaller. You get a lot of value here for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you need something quieter for your indoor space. Product number 3, URUQ Hydroponics Growing System. Now let's talk about the URUQ Hydroponics Growing System, available for $39.99. This one grabbed my attention because of its quiet operation and easy setup. If you want a hassle-free experience growing herbs indoors, this is worth a serious look. It can grow plants 5 times faster than traditional soil methods, which is huge if you want fresh herbs year-round. The smart water pump operates quietly and runs every 30 minutes, ensuring your plants get oxygen and nutrients without the noise. Plus, the water shortage indicator is a nice touch, so you won't forget to check the water level. Now, some customers noted that the pump could be a bit too quiet, making it hard to tell if it's working. But honestly, I found that the silence was a blessing. It creates a calm environment while your plants thrive. This is perfect for you if you live in an apartment or simply want a quiet indoor gardening solution. Skip this one if you need multiple pods because it only accommodates 8. For under $40, it's a steal. If the URUQ's limited pod capacity was a deal breaker for you, the next option really steps up the game with its larger capability. Product number 4, Ahope Garden Hydroponics System. Next, we have the Ahope Garden Hydroponics Growing System, priced at $59.95. This kit caught my eye with its smart environmental detection and decent capacity. If you're serious about growing a variety of plants indoors, this is worth a serious look. The smart timer controls the full-spectrum LED lights to maximize growth, creating an optimal environment for your plants. You can monitor temperature and humidity in real time, which is helpful for keeping your plants happy and healthy. Now, some users did mention that the low water alarm can be a bit sensitive. Here's the thing, while it could be annoying, it's a useful feature that ensures your plants don't dry out. It's a small price to pay for peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a more advanced system that offers real-time monitoring. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler setup without extra features. It's a solid investment for serious plant lovers. Now, if you're looking for something even more user-friendly and family-oriented, the next product could be the answer. Product number 5, Ahope Garden Indoor Garden System. Finally, we have the Ahope Garden Indoor Garden Hydroponics Growing System, priced at $50.38. This one really stands out with its multiple pods and ease of use. If you're looking for a family-friendly option to get everyone involved in gardening, this is worth a serious look. It simulates natural sunlight with its full-spectrum grow lights. The see-through water level window is a convenient addition, helping you know when to refill without any guesswork. It's designed for optimal growth with minimal effort. Now, some buyers have mentioned that the instruction manual could be clearer. But honestly, once you figure it out, the system is very intuitive. Plus, the rewards of seeing your plants grow make it all worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you want a fun, interactive way for the family to engage in gardening. Skip this one if you need a super high-tech option with all the bells and whistles. It's a great value for quality and ease of use. So to wrap it all up, we've covered the LETPOT LPHSC, the LETPOT LPH Air, the URUQ Hydroponics System, the Ahope Garden Hydroponics System, and the Ahope Garden Indoor Garden. Each has its strengths, whether it's speed, quiet operation, or family engagement. Make sure to pick one that suits your needs best.